Bull stock analysis and Webull stock prediction. Is it a buy? Let's talk about Webull Corporation's basically forecast right now. I'm the only guy in the space with 49,000 live trades and analysis videos documented on my personal YouTube channel. This one over 5.5 years. And with all the data, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and I have it all documented. Especially looking at Bull, again, not financial advice, but this is really interesting. For this longest time, the price been just consolidating, and I said, okay, if I see that second break below that price, the likelihood that it keeps going lower is still high. And that's a very steep freaking bearishness that I'm calling for, very bold. This is a more monster bearish move. I'm basically waiting for the price to halve, right? That's crazy. It's actually doing quite the opposite. You know, it's starting to pick up and there's a lot of demand behind this move, so I actually quite like this. Matter of fact, moving into this next week, because we're going to have 3 now trading days, because it's going to be the weekend with the Friday. One thing that I'd like to see is the price just pull back into my demand zone here, and then more than happy to take things up. But what I'm certainly not going to do is just randomly start buying, you know what I mean? So just waiting for that correction to kind of come in handy, and then hopefully take things from there. And you can see I have a lot of receipts with Bull in the Discord. I have like 29, quite a bit. So if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years completely free, link is in the description. Bye-bye.